Yes, so it is magnetic, waterproof, rugged, and also totally app controllable. So I wanted to talk a little bit more about the Beamo mini lights. Okay, there's two. I'm like getting so excited. The cool thing about the Beamo mini is that it's actually magnetic. So I don't know if you just saw that, but this is my voiceover stand. And sometimes when I'm doing voiceovers in the closet or in the dark by myself, sometimes I need a little light. So I can just put that on magnetically, which I absolutely love. Then you also have the Beamo light, and this one has a wireless backing. So these two lights are a little different. The Beamo light has 1500 lumens, and then the Beamo mini has 1000 lumens. So you're getting a little bit more of a brighter power on the Beamo, but the trade-off is this one has a wireless charger, and then the Beamo mini has a magnetic backing. Now the cool thing, all right, this is why I needed to grab my phone off of that GorillaPod, is when you download the JOBY app, which is this beautiful guy right here, I just let you know that I turned on the lights already with Bluetooth, right? Watch this. Oh, I just turned on the master light on this phone. Both lights immediately turned on. Here, let me move this in the way because I realized that my stand is in the way. Okay, right, you see that? You see these two lights, right? I already have a diffuser on this mini Beamo light, and it's like super, 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 super cool. All right, now watch. I have already synced it up. Totally synced up through Bluetooth. I did not need to install anything else besides the app. When I turned on the Beamo lights, it immediately found each other, and it paired automatically. And I also have the ability to adjust each light individually as well. So the Beamo mini is the one on the stand. So I am adjusting it to be 69%, 71%, and I'm going to bring it all the way down as well. And same thing with the Beamo in the back, I can also sync it as well. Now the cool thing, if you saw my teaser already, I'll have you know that these lights are not only magnetic, it's also pretty rugged. I've dropped it a couple of times. Sorry, Joby, but I've dropped it a couple of times, and it has withstood like anything that I've thrown on it. And it's waterproof. Yes, it is waterproof. So I'm just going to show you right now. I'm just going to turn them off really quick. And then, yes, this magnetic light is also waterproof. So I have with me a cup of water. Hopefully I don't get like water everywhere, but we're playing science experiments here, okay? So this is the JOBY Beamo mini light. I'm gonna dunk it in water. All right, my hands are like, okay, I'm glad I'm wearing pants. And then now I'm going to turn on the lights, and I'm gonna adjust it as well. How cool is this? Okay, when you have me talking about Joby gear, I just get so excited. If you thought this was cool, please hit that start button. Make sure you give Joby a follow. Again, for those of us content creators out there who are looking for amazing lights that can basically do so many things, it's rugged. You can go cave diving. You can go underwater with the Beamo light as well and get those nice footage from underwater cameras as well. It's magnetic, so when you're on set and you're trying to light these very difficult angles, I mean, this light can do so much. And also because it is a part of the same Joby ecosystem and it pairs up with a phone, I just love the ability that I can just control everything from here. So I'm just going to turn that off. Alrighty. I'm just going to take it out of the water because as cool as it is, I also want to respect the gear that I have. And I'm just going to wipe the back and just stick it back on. Yes, so it is magnetic, waterproof, rugged, and also totally app controllable.